Question: based on solute-solvent interactions, arrange the following in order of increasing solubility in N-octane and explain. Cyclohexane, KCl, CH3OH and CH3CN. इन कंपाउंड्स की सॉल्युबिलिटी एक्सप्लेन करनी है एन ऑक्टेन में. नाउ यहाँ जो प्रिंसिपल फॉलो होगा वो है लाइक डिसॉल्व्स लाइक. एन ऑक्टेन किस तरह का कंपाउंड है? इट इज अ सिंपल हाइड्रोकार्बन, no bond polarity is there, so it is a non-polar compound, and this non-polar compound is acting as a solvent. So this non-polar compound, that is N-octane, will have a tendency to dissolve non-polar solutes. Non-polar solutes will have maximum solubility in this solvent, and polar solutes or ionic solutes will have the least solubility in this solvent. तो यहाँ पे जो solutes है, first cyclohexane. साइक्लोहेक्सेन का स्ट्रक्चर कैसे होता है? साइक्लोहेक्सेन इज अ साइक्लिक कंपाउंड मेड अप ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन. तो इस कंपाउंड में भी कोई बॉन्ड पोलैरिटी नहीं होती है. इट इज अ नॉन पोलर कंपाउंड, सो इट हैज गुड सॉल्युबिलिटी इन एन ऑक्टेन. नेक्स्ट इज KCl. KCl is ionic compound. It forms positive and negative ions, positive potassium ion and negative chloride ion. So it is an ionic compound, so solubility of KCl will be the least in N-octane. Or we can also say that it is almost insoluble in N-octane. Next is CH3OH. अब CH3OH has bond polarity. This oxygen hydrogen bond, oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, so electron cloud is more towards oxygen than towards hydrogen. So there is a bond polarity, because of which it becomes a polar compound. So its solubility will be less in N-octane. And another compound is CH3CN. Now in this compound also there will be bond polarity. Nitrogen being more electronegative than carbon, the electron cloud is more towards nitrogen. So nitrogen has a slight negative charge and carbon has slight positive charge. This is also polar compound. But the polarity in case of methanol is more than in case of CH3CN. So out of CH3OH and CH3CN, CH3CN is more soluble in N-octane than CH3OH. So the order of solubility will be KCl will be the least soluble and cyclohexane is the most soluble compound here, and out of CH3OH and CH3CN, CH3CN is more soluble than CH3OH. So the increasing order of solubility in N-octane can be written as KCl, then CH3OH,